Hello again, this is AutoCAD Quick and Easy, and in this video we're going to talk about the Tools ribbon. The Tools ribbon, as I told you in a previous video, is this strip of tools that you have here in the upper part of the screen. The Tools ribbon is divided into different labels or tabs, Home or Insert or Annotate, and so on until 10 different tabs or labels. Each one of these has different options. Okay, we have to add that in each label we have a lot of options that are organized into groups. For instance, in the Home tab we can find Draw options, Modify options, Annotation, Layers, and so on. These groups are made according to the use of these tools. For instance, in the Draw group we can find tools that are used to draw things. And in the Modify group, we can find tools that are aimed to modify things that are already done. So we have annotation tools, tools related to layers, tools related to creating or inserting blocks, and so on. We're going to talk about these tools in other videos in the future. Another interesting thing that you can see is that, for instance, in this label, some of the groups of tools are deployed. You can see some options of this group of tools, and some others are contract. You cannot see the tools unless you go over the group and then the tools are deployed. Or here, utilities, clipboard, view. They have some options, but they are not deployed until you are over it. The way you see this depends on the resolution of your screen. If you have a screen with a lot of resolution, more groups are deployed. If you have lower resolution, less groups are deployed. But you can decide, for instance, to move these groups. You can move this group here, or you can even detach it from the ribbon and put it apart. So it's flexible. You can organize it as you want. But I don't recommend you to start changing things because they are very well organized, and the way it comes, it's a good way to work. The tab that we are going to use the most, for not saying the only one that we're going to use, is the Home tab. Okay, so here we'll find almost all of the tools that we're going to use in this course. And the very good point in AutoCAD is that you can find really useful help of each tool if you want to. So if I put over line, for instance, it appears a brief description of what it does. And if I keep over the button, a more detailed explanation comes. And if you press F1, you get more help about this tool. Another thing that you have to know about this ribbon is that not all of the options are shown. So not all of the draw options are here seeable. If I go to this arrow and I click here, I find more options that are related to drawing. Okay, spline or construction line, ray, and some other options that are probably less used than the principal ones, but they are here and you may need them. Okay, or you have more modify options or more annotation options. The same thing happens with certain tools. For instance, circle. You have a large amount of ways of doing a circle. The standard one is the one that you have here, but if you click on the down arrow, you find other ways of making a circle, other ways of making an arc. Or for instance, in this case, it's the same tool, different options. But in other cases, are different tools that have some relation. For instance, I have trim or extend. They are different tools, but they have a relation. Okay. So if you click in the arrows, you always find more options, more tools. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video of AutoCAD Quick and Easy. Thanks for listening.